This is the 5th tutorial in the sequence for LAR385K. We're going to begin with, we can see this simple sloping plane, the building platform surface. I'm going to change the display here to no display. You'll notice that our 917 contour disappears, leaving us with the proposed contours for the proposed slope. It's going to be a little tricky here, and I'm going to paste a surface. I'm going to paste the building platform surface into our proposed slope, thus combining those two. What this allows us to do is anticipate a technique that we're going to use to make a composite surface, which is to make a complete surface that includes existing and proposed. So right mouse click on surface, create surface. We're going to name it, I think, composite surface. Okay, and then using the technique as we did before, expand it, expand definition, go to edits, right mouse click, paste surface, and we're going to paste the existing surface and the proposed slope. All right, so here you can see all of them combined with a hint of the proposed contours below. So what I will do is, using the surface properties, change the surface style to no display. Okay, I've done that twice, but bear with me. It bears repeating. Surface properties. Change that to no display. Apply. Okay. And you can see the hint of those contours goes away. Now, let's say we would like to see it as a triangulated irregular network. We're going to edit the surface style, turn on C10 view, and turn off the major and minor contours, apply, and here we have the surface, and you can see how it is flat or almost flat. We can check this by invoking a render. Here's a render of that, a little dark, but fair enough. Another technique is to use, we could render it again. You can see the render in progress. Another thing we can do is change the color, zoom in a little bit on that unique corner condition. See, you can see it sloping toward the inside, and then that corner sloping out. All right. That's pretty much completed this tutorial. And the next one, we can look at a volume surface where we will compare the two to each other.